like it. Embryo sac mother cell diploid. So this.
Madam, if possible, please enlarge it.
Just wait, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. It's okay, madam. Please.
Okay. Embryo sac mother cell. So it is in the 2x or 2n state diploid condition. So it will give the 4 haploid cells, as I told you. So in some cases, the upper one is the functional and lower 3 is the degenerated cell. So this is the complete the functional cell, inner cell growth. It grows that complete cell. It will undergo the continuous divisions. So the growth nourished by the nucleus and undergo the mitotic division and enter nearest micropyle. So this is the female gametophyte of embryo, mitosis. So 4-celled stage. 1 become the 2, 2 become the 4, 4 become the 8. Okay. So 4 to 8. So these upper 3 is the 3 antipodal cells and these 3 is the synergids. Okay. So 2 polar nuclei. It's look like a center portion of the cells, 2x state. So this is the complete development of the embryo. So nuclear fission and this is complete mature embryo sac. Okay. Female gametophyte just before fertilization, 7 nucleus present and 6 are the seven undadu. So in just diagrammatic is different, but 8 nucleus and 7 celled stage, Nana. So please, these upper 3 is the antipodal cells and lower 3 is the synergids and just center 2 cells are there. So that is the diploid condition of the cell. Okay. So it is complete embedded in the nucellus. Just I'll share other. Connection, sir. Wait. So gymnosperms and angiosperms. Of that. The megaspores also called the macrospores. They are of type of spore. They are found in the heterosporous plants. So the megaspore which germinate into a female gametophyte which produce the egg cells. Okay. So these are fertilized by the male gametophyte developing from the microspore. Just to, sir, please. Okay, cellular developmental process, meiotic cell cycle, gametophyte development. So the gametophyte development is through the embryo sac development. So both will plant type spore development and embryo sac development. Both are combined to complete gives rise to the megasporogenesis. Okay, so this is the complete. The megasporogenesis is the formation of megaspores. They are formed inside the ovule of seed plants. A diploid cell in the ovule, they are called that megasporocyte. Okay. So that means it is look like a center portion, diploid cell also there. So it is called the megasporocyte. The megaspore mother cell undergo the meiotic division and gives rise to the 4 haploid megaspores. In most plants, only one of the megaspores develop into megasporophyte and 3 is the disintegrated. So just like I'll show this one only. This is the complete megagametophyte. Okay. So in this, it is natural central cells and this is the egg apparatus. Synergids, they become the egg apparatus and upper 3 is the 1, 2, 3 is the antipodals and 1, 2, 3 is act as the egg apparatus and central portion 2 is looking like XX. So both are combined to form the 2X state. That is the central portion. So this one just like the complete formation of the embryo. And in this In the gymnosperms and some flowering plants, the megaspore is produced inside the nucellus of the ovule. So this one is the gymnospermic embryo and this is the angiospermic embryo. So the angiosperms, they can exhibit the 3 patterns of the megasporogenesis. So that is, first one is the monosporic and second one is the bisporic and third one is the tetrasporic. Okay. So the angiospermic embryo, they can exhibit the 3 patterns of the formation of the megasporogenesis. Okay. So monosporic development, bisporic development and tetrasporic development. Okay. So just in this, the megasporocyte, they can enlarge and its cytoplasm, they become the very dense. The nucleus enlarges in the preparation for meiosis. So the integuments, they can develop from the ovule epidermis. The envelopes also, the envelope of the megagametophyte and become the incomplete and leave a micropyle through which pollen tubes enters the later. 2 haploid nuclei are then created. Just these divide again to produce a cell with 4 nuclei. The 4 haploid nuclei divide again to produce a cell with 8 nuclei. So just this process is called pre-nuclear divisions. So this diagram, integuments formation and megasporocyte is lie in the center portion. So the ovule is formed and they can following the nuclear migration and also formation of the cell, the mature megagametophyte. And that means the embryo sac ID is formed in that center. So it is typically composed of an egg apparatus, egg plus 2 synergids. So at the micropylar end of this, just I'll show this diagram. So this is the angiosperm ovule and seed development. Okay. So in the seed development, just